Hey my amazing people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. Most of you have been wondering where I disappeared to because we haven't been seeing frequent videos coming up on the channel. And in this video I want to give you an update on what has been happening to me in my life and what is coming over in the channel. Let's get started. So over the last 3 months, I have been kind of off the channel and not pushing out new videos. And for some of you who have watched the other videos, about 6 or something videos I published in the last 6 months, have probably realized that I wasn't in my studio and all that stuff. But now I am back. I am happy to be back in this space. I love it to create videos from here. I enjoy doing everything right from the studio. But now I want to tell you that I had a good time during my holidays. I could visit a couple of countries in Europe, Slovenia, Hungary, Austria, Germany, France, and it was a blast. I totally enjoyed everything. And I'm wondering why no one talks about Slovenia, because it has a lot to offer. I enjoy the beauty there, not forgetting Austria. Anyway, I'm here now to tell you that I am back. And I noticed that on the channel, you guys started watching Gutenberg videos. When did you start watching them? I'm wondering whether I should now start creating more Gutenberg videos. And this is the point where I have now to bring it back to you. Do you guys want to watch more Gutenberg videos? Because hey, Gutenberg is actually getting better. For that feedback, I'm going to leave a voting section. Is it called a vote or a poll? Yeah, a poll actually at the comment section. So if you want to go and vote for more Gutenberg videos to come on the channel, please go to the community tab and vote for that option. So I'm going to leave a poll so that you guys can give me feedback. But one thing I'm absolutely excited about are the WooCommerce videos. I want to push out more videos for WooCommerce because I realize that my channel lacks a lot of videos about WooCommerce and all that stuff. And I want to give you more value, my subscribers, my people, and yeah, of course, learn more new stuff. And with that said, when you go and vote on the poll on the community page of my YouTube page or the community section of my YouTube page, you give me an idea on what kind of videos you want to come. And I'm actually planning a content calendar, and over right here, I'll be posting all your ideas and suggestions. And that actually helped me plan earlier and have your requests come through. So with that said, I am more looking forward to your feedback and responses on this video and your suggestions on what kind of videos you want to see come on the channel. And I can't be more excited because hey, December is almost here and the sales and crazy promotions are going to show up very soon, and I don't want you guys to miss out on anything on this channel. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I appreciate your feedback and responses and always coming over and over again to my channel. I appreciate that. I don't take your support for granted, and I will see you in the next video.